Hey, welcome to Fixit. Today I will show you how to turn off sync contacts on Telegram. Let's go. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Then tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap privacy and security. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Data Settings. So now you'll see the Sync Contacts option. Turn off to continuously sync contacts from this device with your account. To sync your contacts, simply toggle off the switch over here and now. The Telegram app will not sync your contacts. Keep in mind, synchronizing is important because it ensures that data is consistent and up to date across multiple devices or applications. This is particularly useful for collaboration and file sharing tools, where multiple users need access to the same files and data. Thanks for choosing Fixit again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.